Mitsubishi Aircraft is rebranding its MRJ regional airliner family to underline planned improvements to performance and cabin comfort. The new 76-seat MRJ 70 model will now be called the SpaceJet M100, while the 92-seat MRJ 90 will be known as the SpaceJet M90. The Japanese manufacturer is also making plans to introduce a larger 100-seat model that will be called the SpaceJet M200.
Overall, in the SpaceJet name, one of the meanings behind that is our saying, space where it matters. So we're bringing spaciousness to the cabin. We have the widest cabin, we have the tallest cabin, we have the widest passenger seat, and with the M100 aircraft, an improvement to the cabin experience with a wheels first bag for every passenger being able to take it into the cabin. The reason why we decided to call the M100 its name is we're moving away from naming the aircraft by seat count. With the M100, we're able to operate from 65-seat configuration up to 88-seat configuration at the best economics in class. So it's very difficult to choose a number. 100 symbolizes improvement from the 90 today, and the 200, which is also in the family lineup, is a slightly larger version.
The SpaceJet M100 is mainly intended for the US market, where the so-called scope clause terms of pilot unit agreements mean that aircraft used in regional airline operations will have a maximum takeoff weight of no more than 86,000 pounds. Mitsubishi will be using new lighter weight materials for the new model so that it can meet this requirement, while still offering 76 seats in a 3-class configuration. After several delays to a development program that began almost a decade ago, the larger SpaceJet M90 is expected to enter service with launch customers Japan Airlines and All Nippon Airways before the end of 2020. The rebranding comes at a time when the Japanese manufacturer is seeking to ensure its place in a consolidating market for regional airliners that has seen Boeing take over its Brazilian rival Embraer and Airbus acquire the larger C-Series models from Canada's Bombardier. In late June, Mitsubishi reached an agreement to buy Bombardier's smaller CRJ jet family, for which production is due to come to an end in mid-2020. It will be responsible for the aftermarket support going forward and will be hoping that CRJ customers will now look to its SpaceJet line as a modern alternative.
To introduce new technologies into this market sector requires us to innovate. We know that pilot scope clauses won't change. The limit is capped at 86,000 pounds. New technology weighs more, so to burn less fuel, we have to carry more weight. So in order to bring next generation aircraft to this marketplace, we've had to innovate with new materials, new design philosophies, as well as a different way of designing and building the aircraft. We're really pleased with the passenger experience that we will give with the M90 and also with the M100. We think it will be the leading aircraft of its class.
If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Also, visit AINonline.com and check out our e-newsletters for all the latest on the aviation industry.